All right, question 14 is the drag and drop question. It says drag and drop the correct answer choice to each answer blank. So they give you the function. If p of x equals 3, you've got 5x plus 7 in parentheses. Find each value of the function, and then you've got your 5 drag and drop answer choices. Basically, it's kind of multiple choice, really. You got the choice of 5 answers to drag in there. So seems like it's open answer. You just need to solve 2 questions and then drag in your answer choice from above. All right, I'm going to shrink this down and let's work on the first one. So it's the same function. We've got p, I should say, of x equals 3. We've got 5x plus 7. The first one we want to solve for p of 7. So I went ahead and wrote it in. That just means we take out the x and we put a 7 there. No, that doesn't make it 57. Yes, we're going to multiply, all right? So that's going to look like this. P of 7. Basically, we're just doing a lot of math here, and I would use a calculator for this. So work inside the parentheses first. 5 times 7 should get you 35, plus 7 there. And then we can simplify this down. You still need to work inside the parentheses. So P of 7 equals 3. 35 plus 7 is 42, just like that. And if you haven't already, I'd make sure you have your calculator out because you're just going to do 42 times 3. 42 times 3 real quick should get you 126. And is that an answer choice? Yeah, it's right there. So you know the first one is 126. That's for a value of 7 if we input. Let's do negative 9 now. That means we're taking out the x again and we're putting in a negative 9, all right? So calculator out again. This is certainly when that's going to be really useful for you. P of negative 9 equal to 3. Let's do some math on the interior. 5 times negative 9 is negative 45. And we're going to put plus 7. We're going to close out the parentheses just like that. All right, okay. P of negative 9. I want to write it out and be detailed and be thorough for you guys. Let me close the parentheses down. Equals 3. Let's do inside the parentheses. Negative 45 plus 7 is going to get me back to a negative 38. All right, and again, I would calculator that real quick, but that's like 45 minus 7, which would be negative as you work that out. And to get your final answer, I'll put it in blue. P of negative 9 is going to equal 3 times a negative 38. 3 times a negative 38. If you see negative 114, then you probably see the answer, all right? So negative 114. So I believe the first one, which I screened out of real quick, was 126. So all you have to do is just drag that one there, and you drag that one there, and you should be good to go with functions.